During my visit to the Knuckles mountain range, I had the opportunity to explore something extraordinary: the Highland Bear Monkey. This monkey is a subspecies of the purple-faced Lanka and is found only in Sri Lanka. Hidden within the cool, misty forests, the Highland Bear Monkey is a rare animal that is difficult to spot in the wild. This creature has long, thick fur that is well suited for life in the cold highland forests of Horton Plains and the Knuckles Range. The monkey resides among the treetops and moves through the canopy, feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. Protecting the Highland Bear Monkey is not only important for preserving a species, but also crucial for safeguarding an entire ecosystem. They act as silent guardians of Sri Lanka's misty forests.